Well, I wanted to make a garage door that works, so I did. It works really nicely, although, as you can see, there's big gears, so it's not a very functional garage door. But I really just wanted to have a cool mechanism like this. And this uses a old gear and some of these old chains with a bunch of plates on them. So this just rotates the gear, and then there's a spot for these in there. It's really easy to get back in. Well, hopefully. And so, yeah. Maybe it's not so easy to get back in. It's a little weird and finicky. Yeah. It's really fun to launch out. So it shoots pretty far. Well, thanks for watching this. Hope to see you again. Bye.